like this little toy, huh? Come on. Let's go, girl. Come on, Carla. Come here. Oh, come on, girl. Come here. Carla, I know you don't seem very interested in the toys. I know, you just want my attention, don't you? Oh, that's a good girl. Hi, Carla. Good girl, Carla. Good girl. Very, very sweet Maltese or Maltese mix. At the making of this video, she is new to the rescue. And at the making of this video, she is also quite pregnant. We are going to see her to full term. Hey, 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 hey. But you know, at some point you might see her posted, but she will have already delivered. Okay, no scratching. She probably weighs about 5 or 6 pounds max. Hi! Hi, Carla! I mean, she's a puppy herself. She's only 10 months old. Good girl! Good girl. So I'm making this video now just in case I never see her again, because I'm going to send her off to a foster home that works within my rescue organization, of course. Here she is with Daisy Mae. Daisy's a very nice dog, Carla. She's a very good girl, Carla. She's a very good girl. Daisy won't hurt you. She takes care of all little dogs. Yeah. She's a mama dog to little dogs. Yeah. Yeah, good girl. I know. Are you happy to be here? Are you happy to be in a home and out of the shelter? Good girl. Good girl. Good girl.